Hey, this duck is crazy.
Come here, Sophie. Let's go.
He can now walk up the steps and torment Sophie. So, one of my favorite pets is in danger now. And I don't have shoes on, so I can't go into the grass.
I won't even go get it because of this duck.
Now this duck just torments all of us. And he's fine to his other ducks. I mean, just look. He's fine to them. But to Sophie, oh, that poor dog. She has to get tormented. Poor dog. There he goes. And now the cat ear's here. Hold on. When did the cat get out here? Just when? So the cat chases. The dog chases the cat. The duck chases the dog. That's the circle of life. In this crazy family. Well, just the poor dog. She's in the middle of the circle of life because Chester likes to attack her back sometimes.
Alright, better save some battery.
All right.